Consider this expression, 7 divided by x minus 3 minus 5 divided by x plus 3. Find the values for a, b, and c that make this expression equivalent to the given expression. So ultimately what we're doing on this particular problem is we're subtracting these two, and then we're writing in the coefficients or the constant value for a, for b, and for c. So I'm going to switch over here to my notebook paper. And first of all, what we have to do is we have to find the common denominator. And the common denominator between x minus 3 and x plus 3 is x minus 3 times x plus 3. And what we're going to ask ourselves now, and I'm going to put the minus sign in here in red, is what's in the denominator now that wasn't in the denominator before? Because the 7 is still there. But what we had is we had an x minus 3 in the denominator, which we still have. But now we have an additional x plus 3. So we're going to put the x plus 3 in the numerator. Don't cancel this out. This x plus 3 over x plus 3 is a fancy form of 1. We're using it to find a common denominator. Same idea over here. We still have the 5 in the numerator in the top of the fraction, but ask yourself what's in the denominator now that wasn't in the denominator before. We had an x plus 3, and there's still an x plus 3, but now we have this additional x minus 3. So we're going to put an x minus 3 in the numerator. Again, don't cancel anything. Because what we're left with now is we're left with 7 times x plus 3 minus 5 times x minus 3 all over x minus 3 times x plus 3. We found the common denominator, which we have to have when we're adding or subtracting fractions. And then we did the actual subtraction, and now we're going to simplify. So when we simplify, we're going to have to distribute, and we get 7x plus 21, negative 5x, and negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15, all divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3. If we combine like terms, then what we have is 2x plus, let's see, 21, 36 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. And then let's go back to Edmentum and see if we can match that answer. All right, so on Edmentum here, I forgot that it has to be in the same format, so you can't see it yet. But the numerator, the top of it, is okay because the number in front of the x is a 2. And then it's the b, it's plus 36. But it's our c value. So we have to go back to this problem here pretty quickly. And we just need to multiply these two out because it says x squared plus c. So if we double distribute or FOIL, we get x squared plus 3x minus 3x minus 9. And what happens is that the 3x's cancel out. So in Edmentum form, we get 2x plus 36 over x squared minus 9. And that allows us to fill in our last answer back on Edmentum, which means that c is negative, whoops, not there, negative 9. And there's our answers.